Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to fix verify your phone number issue while creating new Gmail account. In this video we are going to show you how to fix verify your phone number issue step by step. First of all, open Gmail and then tap on profile and then tap on add another account. Tap on Google. Now we'll try to create an account. Tap on create account for personal use. Type your first name and then tap on next. Select the date of birth. Select your gender. Tap on next. Select the given Gmail, or you can create your own Gmail address. Tap on create your own Gmail. And then tap on next. Now you have to decide your password. Tap on next. And then here you will see this kind of error, verify your phone number. So you can see the issue is appeared. If you will tap on verify, it will again scan your phone and show you the same error. So first of all, you have to understand why this one is happening, because you are creating so many accounts from your phone number and now Google has just blocked your device. So you have to minimize this one, leave this one as it is. You have to adopt two steps. In step 1, you have to change your IP. How you can change your IP? You have to go to your phone settings and then you have to tap on connections, tap on mobile data, and then here you will see the network mode. Tap on it. From here you have to select 3G. If you are using 4G, then you have to select the network for 3G. You have to wait for at least 10 to 20 seconds and then you have to move back to 4G. This way your IP address will be changed. Now minimize this one. Now open Google Play Store. From here you have to search for Google Drive. Search. If you have already installed Google Drive, then update this one. Otherwise you have to install from the beginning Google Drive application. Application is successfully updated. Minimize this one. Now you have to go for step 3. You have to open your phone settings again and you have to navigate the apps option. Tap on apps. Now you have to locate for Google Drive application. Tap on it and then tap on force stop. Tap on OK and then you have to tap on storage. Tap on clear storage and then tap on clear data. Tap on OK. Now minimize this one. Now you have to move towards step 4. Open Google Drive, your profile picture, tap add another account. Now tap on create account for personal use. Provide first name and last name. Tap on next. Provide your date of birth. Select your gender and then tap on next. Now you have to select the Gmail account, the new one. and then tap on next. Select your password, tap on next. How to fix verify your phone number issue while creating new Gmail account.